I have to listen to that every night.
Oh, I can imagine. Tex does the same thing, and he has to get on my head. He's got to lay it there. Don't move. Stay there. Stay there. Good girl.
This is my baby girl. With her bling on.